What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? I'm back for another YouTube video. So, here's what we're talking about today. They got the new Halloween event for Ultimate Football. It's pretty cool. So, it's lasting for about 7 days. We got 2 different packs, and they got new currency candies. Um, so they also got goals with candies too, and this resets every day, I believe. So I got most of them. But yeah, so the difference between these packs is you just get an increased chance for rubies, amethyst, and diamond. About like 30% more, something like that. So you get an increased chance for each of those. So yeah, so 10,000, 30,000. I think the 10,000 is better value, but if you want to risk it, Spooky's pretty good for that. But let's look at the items. This animation looks sick. These trails too, they just look amazing. Um, these are the 6 diamonds. They got the green Poltergeist, the Hollow's Eve, the purple Poltergeist, Poltergeist. Okay, yeah, now I know. All right, blood magic, bad attack. I think the best one is probably gonna be first. I think it's the animation, cause you're like Spider-Man. Bad attack is nice. I think blood will look nice. Uh, I can see the purple. The green already has a firefly, so Hallow's Eve, that looks cool. And this is basically a reskin of the mummy eyes that's already out. Blood splatters out. This looks nice. I wonder if it's special anyway, but look. Halloween sparkle, so it's basically like the sparkle items. They released more of those this week. These shoes, they're alright. Grim Reaper looks nice. Mummy Eyes Scarlet, it's pretty much a retexture. This visor's nice. Um, and these trails look pretty nice too for Amethyst. I think all the Amethysts look pretty nice. Child's Play shoes. Even this visor. The rubies. Pumpkin eyes. The splatter sleeve. Candy corn, haunted, crimson, spooky. This is a retexture too. Or recolor, whatever it's called. This looks pretty good for ruby. All these other ones look Halloween themed, which is awesome. Fiend is kind of underrated. I like that one. And these ones too. They just have a good design. Purple Argus, Fanta. They got the masks so you can rock it in park. These look, I don't know, these just look awesome to me. All of them look Halloween themed. Alright, and then you got the knife. Everything. So, how many items we got? Looks like a lot. 8, 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. I think 44, or my math is bad, but okay. So anyways, we're gonna start opening them. Alright, we're gonna open them up. Halloween. Go to the spooky pack. Let's see what we get. Alright. Candy. Open pack. Can I hear my game? Oh, they got an orange outline now. But 10 items. Alright, let's put. Got silver. A gold. Another gold. It's a duplicate? Oh, there we go. That's a nice one. I didn't even know I had this one. But you find out something new every day. Alright, got a silver. Pretty nice silver. Another one. A gold. A gold. Some nice gloves. I could see myself rocking these. These are nice. Got 2 good. Actually, A lot of good sleeves. I'd rate that like a maybe like a I'll say a 6 out of 10. Could be better. All right, let's see what we get here. Right out the bat, an amethyst, pumpkin patch, another one. Oh, a diamond! We got a diamond. No way. Okay, a gold, a clown mask. Oh, two diamonds, two diamonds. Hold on, I gotta show my friends and see how they react. Imagine a third one. Oh, we got a ruby. What a stack pack. We got an amethyst. This pumpkin patch. We got a green poltergeist, and then we got the purple one too. And then we got another ruby. All right. So we got four more, and then we'll see. Okay. Let's see. Got a ruby. Hold on. Let me see how these people reacted. Yeah, that was crazy. I didn't even, I forgot people could see. All right. This we got some nice sleeves. These sleeves definitely look nice. Like even though they're gold, I would definitely use them. Got a ruby, greedy. That looks nice. All right. That last pack, by the way, I didn't rate it, but it was definitely a 9.9 out of 10. And this one right here, this is I think this is a 6 out of 10. All right, we got four more packs. That's crazy. We already got two diamonds. That was actually my best pack ever, I'm pretty sure, and I can't believe I was recording. Got a ruby, cobwebs, looks nice. Halloween sleeve, it's tough. Mummy wrap, cloud mask, where I got that. Crimson, retextured, looks pretty nice. See what we get here. A ruby, pumpkin eyes, awesome. Uh, okay, maybe a 5, that one. We need to see those amethysts, man. Got a ruby. Haunted trail. That looks nice. A bunch of silvers and golds. Alright, that was definitely the lowest rated pack. Didn't get much out of it. A bunch of silvers. I guess this is what happens when you're too good at opening packs. Oh man, the silvers are going crazy right now. We got a haunted trail duplicate. That sucks. As long as it's not an amethyst duplicate, I think I'll live. Alright, last pack, and then we'll open more later. Ruby cleats. Actually, these are some cleats I wanted, so perfect. They look nice. I think they glow too. Phenom. Awesome. Here we go. Another ruby duplicate. A gold duplicate. Silver duplicate. Silver. Gold. 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 No, silver. Gold. And that's all we get for today. So, That's what's up, guys. Let's see what items we got. Okay, new items. We got the green, we got the purple. I wanted the bat attack or the neighborly hang, but this will definitely do. Let's see what we got from Amethyst. I got one, I think. Pumpkin patch. Trying to get them mad. All right, so we got pretty nice like, items, pretty cool. Actually, just to check it out, I want to go over to the auction house. Let's go to the trade hub. Let's check the value or how many people got the diamond ones. I'd imagine less than 20 though. If there's more, that'd be interesting. All right. Trails, bat attack. Dang, 200 people have it? I didn't even know that. It just came out too. Blood magic, almost 200. Okay, let's go check for poltergeist. About 200 each. And let's check out the trails, how they look like. Let's go over to the quarterback gauntlet. Inventory, not inventory. Customize, street, this, here, other. Oh, they got a new. Looks pretty cool. Might have to. Brains or this? I think I'll go with the brains. But yeah, let's go to other. We're gonna put our trail on. I already got this rare one. Let's check out the green. Let's check out pumpkin first. Okay. Oh, pumpkin looks amazing. Look at the trail. See, if someone could quarterback, this would look nice. Alright, let's check out the other one. Customize, three, other, green poltergeist. Okay, got that one equipped. This one looks nice too. Oh, it has like, is this, it's like slime or something. Oh, it just looks like the way, I don't know, it just looks nice. And we'll check out the purple. Purple, here we go. Oh, this one is like a 2 bar. This one looks nice too. Amazing. Well, guys, I'll be doing another video soon, and I'll definitely be doing a giveaway. So, just to let you guys know, the event's happening until I think the 3rd, and there's a bunch of cool items that you can go for, and I would go for them. So yeah, and just a reminder, you can get duplicates. So if you have a place to like transfer your items, like an alt, that are like really good, like rubies or amethyst, so when you get them again, then it won't count as duplicates. But yeah, alright, I'll see you guys next time when I'm doing a giveaway for it. Alright, peace out.